Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to tell you a little bit about text structure today. So, just like the video said, there are a lot of different ways that an author can write a text or a book or a story or anything that we might read. So, the first way is sequence. And here are all the words that are special to a sequence passage. So if you see the words first, next, then, after, finally, before, or during, that means they probably use sequence. This is really common in recipes or anytime an author is telling you how to do something. The next one is cause and effect. So some of our special cause and effect words are because, since, due to, result, unless, so, therefore, reason, or cause. So if the author wants to tell you about what could happen or what did happen because of something else, that's cause and effect. So if I say my dog was barking because there were people outside, that's cause and effect. The people caused my dog to bark. The next one is compare and contrast. Whoops, I accidentally wrote on that other one. Compare and contrast. So compare and contrast is when you tell how two or more things are alike and how they're different. So if the author is comparing and contrasting, they might be telling you why they like chocolate ice cream more than vanilla ice cream. And if they were going to do that, they would use words like different, like and unlike, the same as, similar, both. However is really popular in compare and contrast. So with compare and contrast, remember the author is telling you how two or more things are alike or different. The next text structure an author might use is a description. So with a description, the author is just telling you all about something. So if I want to tell you all about my dog, I would say, my dog is really crazy. For example, he barks all the time and he jumps on the couch and then he jumps on the floor. He is just a silly dog. So remember, description tells all about something. And the other words that might be are including, instance, and such as, and for example, but we already said that. Okay, the very last one, let me pick another color, is problem solution. Problem and solution is pretty common. This is if the author wants to tell you about a problem and then how they solved it or like what they did to fix their problem. So in these types of books, stories, articles, whatever the author wrote, they'll say the problem is, they'll say to solve this, they'll say so that, maybe they'll say solution, one way, or the question is. So those are all examples of problem solution. I want to see if I can. Okay, here's an example. So on the next few slides, you're going to have an example over here, and it'll either be a sentence or a paragraph that I will read to you, and then the keywords that we just went over with all those pretty colors. So I ran back inside to grab my raincoat because I saw dark clouds and heard thunder. So is that compare and contrast, cause and effect, or sequence? Well, I know it said it was raining and they had to get their raincoat because they saw the thunder. So there's my crazy dog. So I see that word because. I'm going to look for because. There it is. Because, cause and effect. Yep, that's cause and effect. So I would circle B, cause and effect. Okay? So you have a few of these to practice, and same with this. You want to try to really think what the author is trying to tell you and listen for these keywords. Good. Let me know if you need any help, or your teacher or Miss Cassida. Just let anybody know on your Google Classroom and we can help you.